What is the career scope for data science? Career opportunities in data have exponentially grown in the recent few years. Companies are eager to capture data and derive insights from it because of the technological advancements we are seeing. Let's see what is data science. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. Scope for data science as a career. The data science field has been rising at an unprecedented rate, creating a huge demand for talent in various sectors. The demand is most among BFSI 38%, followed by energy 13%, pharma and healthcare 12%, and e-commerce 11%, among others. Bengaluru, being the Silicon Valley of India, continues to create the maximum number of jobs, contributing around 23% of the analytics jobs in India, followed by Delhi, NCR at 20% and Mumbai at around 15%. India is the second highest country to recruit employees in the field of data science or data analytics, with 50,000 positions available. Data scientist salary in India. The average data scientist salary is 698,412 rupees. An entry-level data scientist can earn around 500,000 rupees per annum with less than 1 year of experience. Early-level data scientists with 1 to 4 years experience get around 610,811 rupees per annum. The opportunities for analysts and data scientists are currently at their prime in India. With the large volumes of data being generated by businesses and the availability of data and tools to extract it, and the urge to gain insights from it. It includes the rise in data analyst salary and data scientist salary India. If you are curious about learning data science to be in the front of fast-paced technological advancements, check out ImageCon Academy courses. Join now. www.imageconindia.com/academy